Do you want to be featured on Miami Realtors consumer-facing open house website? Hello, my name is Cecilia Chataba, and I am your Miami Chief of Concierge. I would love to take a moment to talk to you about how you can have your open house featured on our consumer-facing website, southfloridaopenhousesearch.com. As one of the top 9 properties of the week, this is an incredible free from Miami benefit, as well as great exposure for your listing. If you are interested in being featured for this, we have 3 requirements to be selected. Have detailed property description, have clear photos of the property, and have your agent photo in the MLS. Selections are based at random, but having these 3 things set up prior and on all your listings, it gives you the best chance at being selected. If you do not have your agent photo on the MLS, Connie Nieto will show you a quick tutorial on how to do it.
To add your image to MLS Matrix, simply log in, click on Add Edit. In the roster area under Quick Modify, put in your agent license number, select to edit, select Manage Photos, browse for images on your computer, select the image. If you have an older one, you can select it and delete. And make sure to describe it with your name and title. Once you're done, certify and save. And in 48 hours, it should filter through to MLS Touch, and it's now a part of the roster and will be reflected on southfloridaopenhousesearch.com.
For more information on selections, as well as free from Miami tools to help you on your next open house, head to miamirealtors.com/property showcase. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see your open house featured for this week or the weeks to come. See you next time.